Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to refund Western Union online transfer. So to get started with the guide and steps on how you can easily, refund Western Union online transfer. So to get started with this step, so the first step is to log in into your Western Union website or the app, depends on anyone you have. So open the app or go to westernunion.com, then sign in with your account. Then on step 2, you have to go to recent transfer. So tap the menu, then from there, click the transfer history or track transfer, then find the transaction you want to cancel. Then tap on the transaction and check status. Select the specific transfer to view its details. Then if the money hasn't been picked up or deposited, a cancel transfer option should appear. Then tap the cancel transfer. If available, click cancel transfer and confirm your request. Then if no cancel button, contact support. If the cancel option isn't there, then contact the Western Union customer care at this number on the note. Then after that, use the live chat in the app to also reach out to the customer service. Then wait for your refunds, and if the cancellation is successful, your money will be refunded to your original payment method within 5 to 10 business days. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more videos. And that's it.